This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites, Python 3, X on Path and the Microsoft Python extension in Visual Studio Code. Once done, open your project folder in VS Code so the workspace settings persist. Then create or select a Python file, save it with. PySo language features activate. Make sure the interpreter selector shows the intended Python environment because that determines linting, debugging, and output behavior. This gets you ready for running code and seeing output immediately. Now configure how you will run and debug so output appears where you expect. First, select the interpreter via the command palette because the chosen environment determines installed packages and Python binary. Next, run code in the integrated terminal using the Run Python file button or a direct Python file name. Py command, this shows print output and error traces. If you need breakpoints or arguments, create a launch. JSON, it lets you pass args. Set env-vars and choose console type for clearer output. To finish, verify output appears in the panel you expect. Adjust console type in launch. JSON between terminal versus internal console because some programs require a real terminal for input or color. If output is missing, make sure the interpreter points to the correct virtualenv and that path is correct. Restart the integrated terminal to apply changes. If problems persist, open the output and terminal panels, enable verbose extension logging, and rerun. That quickly reveals missing modules, permission issues, or misrouted output.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.